Good morning, Fox 17 meteorologist Gary Frank here, keeping an eye on things. And we have a severe thunderstorm warning that has just been issued right now for areas in Berrien County to the south. And this is just the same thing that we've seen all morning long, unfortunately, as we have this severe thunderstorm warning until 4:45. We've already got several reports of trees down. We'll get you right to the radar because I want to show you where this is, as obviously this is moving towards Charlotte, another area in the severe thunderstorm warning as well. And from Paw Paw to Lawton, you'll see this in Kalamazoo as well. Very gusty winds as well. They're not for specific the city limits in Kalamazoo. Do we have a severe thunderstorm warning at the moment? As I keep you posted here, I got to check to make sure that that's continued. And yes, once again, it's still 30 or 40 mile an hour winds. But as we look further to the south, Three Rivers, you are in the path of this. I want to give you an update on when to expect this to move right into your area, because that's going to be more like 4:20 or so as we go throughout Dowagiac. You're just on the leading edge of that. That's going to be there within the next 2 or 3 minutes. So want to stay inside. A lot of lightning. If I just scope this entire storm, you can see how much lightning this is. This is all within the last 15 minutes. 429 lightning strikes. So it's obviously a very electrical storm, which is why there are so many power outages. Even as I load this is the outage map, the Consumers Energy outage map. The red is the worst one, over 1,000 power outages, and there are tens of thousands of power outages, as you can expect. So back to the radar, and also a look at the velocity product, which kind of gives you an idea of where the leading edge of those stronger winds are, 60 miles an hour. And you can really see that here right now in some of the very bright shades of red. I want to put this on for you because this is where we're really seeing some very gusty winds headed toward Battle Creek. You're in Kalamazoo, and as I mentioned, because of the fact that it's not it's 24 to 40 miles an hour. We're not seeing that severe thunderstorm warning for Kalamazoo, but some of those brighter shades, the leading edge near Paw Paw, Decatur, right into Berrien Springs. These are areas that are really seeing 40, 50 mile an hour wind gusts as that's going the other direction from the radar. So that's why you're seeing that low number there. Anyway, here's the leading edge of this in Portland, Charlotte, Battle Creek. If you're wondering when's this going to hit me and you're just joining us, you're going to see this over the next 10 to 15 minutes. In fact, Battle Creek here at 4:07, so more like 5 minutes. Climax, you've also got that moving in here within the next 10 minutes or so. An update on that for Berry, Calhoun, Eaton into Kalamazoo County, but that's we'll get you right back to that map there so we can see any updates that have been shown. But as I mentioned, these are the two areas under a severe thunderstorm warning for now. So if you're not involved in this, obviously it's past. It may be still raining, but let's stay inside because we have a lot of power lines down. 4:15, that includes Battle Creek, Nashville as well. Also, we'll slide off into Berrien County. Further to the south, you're also looking at Berrien Springs, just staying out of that. Also near Constantine, White Pigeon, Marcellus. We also have that until 4:45 with 60 mile an hour winds possible. As I mentioned, the leading edge of the stronger wind gusts are moving into Kalamazoo, Matawan, Paw Paw. These are areas that are going to continue to see some stronger winds as this gets closer to Schoolcraft here within the next 10 minutes or so. Vicksburg, 4:18 as well. Here's a look at what's happening on the radar. The back edge of the storm, as I mentioned, Grand Haven, Ottawa County, you got the first part of it. It's starting to finally exit into South Haven. You're seeing some stronger storms, but it's not severe, and we're on the back edge of that. But it's really this line that we're going to continue to focus on from Paw Paw all the way to the south as it continues to work its way here over the next 15, 20 minutes. It will move forward. And I also want to look at that velocity product one more time because not only are we seeing a lot of lightning, I'll take that off there for now, but I want to show you just the fact that the winds are blowing very strong. And this is probably the main thing with the storm system is that it's 60 mile an hour wind gusts. We'll zoom in on some of these locations. This is all straight line winds. There's no rotation. I saw somebody post on our Facebook page about a possible tornado. There's nothing like that. So if you're thinking, is a tornado possible? We don't have anything like that. This is purely a straight line wind gust, which is just right away, those straight line wind gusts, which is why we've knocked down those trees. You'll purely see the different colors simply because on the other side of this, this is away and toward the radar, so that's why they're different colors. So as I mentioned, that's where we look for the rotation and stuff like that. We don't see anything like that at this time. It's purely a straight line wind gust, which is getting very close to Battle Creek. You're also going to see that here within the very short period of about 2 minutes or so. Expect the winds to start gusting in Climax as well. These severe thunderstorm warnings are in place until at least 4:45 for several locations as the back edge of the storm once again is moving through Kalamazoo as we head towards Schoolcraft, Three Rivers, and Decatur. So if you're in these locations, make sure you stay inside. Not that you're not inside at 4:05, but don't get outside and try to look at all the lightning. It's a very electrical storm, wind gusts. If you're maybe 15, 20 minutes in advance and you have something that you could tie down really quick, that would probably be okay. If you're in Three Rivers, I would suggest you could do that, Colin or Mendon. But otherwise, if you're in Schoolcraft, moving very quickly. Once again, these severe thunderstorm warnings in place in a few locations until about 4:45. We're on the air in about 20 minutes or so at 4:30. If we need to cut in any more and let you know about some of this severe weather, we certainly will do so. But we'll keep you posted on our Fox 17 Facebook page as well. And for now, back to regularly scheduled programming.